Oh Lord, I've been carrying this way too long, broken inside, still searching for your light. Please hear me. Yesu lo umatay, ia elavea imai, o aule taga sala, o te ole atu ilo suafa, uapagisa uala uma, pofe alo utaunuga. Yesu au te fia, tula ipea yo luma. Tatalo ia Faamagalo, itanele tele o aso, halailo alaua fioga, ileaga olene pologa, uesila fia unei, ua auno so ulele. Yesu ole mana ole talalele. Yeah, I walked through roads I shouldn't have known, made wrong turns trying to stand on my own, smiled through pain while my heart was weak, searching for peace but too afraid to speak. Late night tears when nobody sees, fighting storms down on my knees. I know I failed, I know I fell, but Lord, you know my heart too well. I'm not perfect, I made mistakes, but your love is stronger than the pain I face. Oh, Lord, forgive me for my mistakes, for every wrong road that my heart did take. Wash my soul when I feel ashamed, hold me close when I call your name. I've been lost, but I still believe your mercy is all I'll ever need. Lord, forgive me, don't let me fade. Please guide me through the life I've made. Yesu lo utaiala, olo utaia soleaga. Oh, olo umalua papa, ole tapa sa olo laga. E uilava ina opo, haewa o no fosalamo, tafia maua ina so utofi lo malo. Tatalo ia Faamagalo, itanele tele o aso, itanele tele o aso, halailo alaua fioga, halailo alaua fioga, ileaga olene ipologa, uesila fia unei, ua auno so ulele. Yesu ole mana ole talalele. Sometimes I ran when I should have stayed. Sometimes fear made my faith feel weak. I carried burdens too heavy to speak, but your voice still whispers peace to me. When darkness comes and hope feels gone, you remind me I'm still holding on. Through every scar, through every fight, you're the reason I still see light. Lord, forgive me for my mistakes, for every wrong road that my heart did take. Wash my soul when I feel ashamed, hold me close when I call your name. I've been lost, but I still believe You stayed beside me all these years. I surrender all my pride today. Lead my soul back to you.